Alright, hello everyone. Well, in today's video, this is going to be a full tour and review on my 2005 GMC Envoy SLT. This is my personal vehicle. So, we'll start with the exterior and make our way to the interior. So, starting with the outside. So, as you can see, this is in a really nice red color. I believe they call this magnetic red metallic. As you can see, it's really nice and shiny. Let's try and get a close look at it. So, starting down here, we have 17-inch tires. We have our headlights on either side, and of course the fog lights further down. We have the grill here, and I really like how they have the chrome grill going around it, especially since I just washed it a few days ago. As you can see, it's really nice and shiny. So yeah, and I mean, for 2005, this thing is in really good condition. The only thing is the grill here, as you can see, is not in the best shape, but I can live with that. I mean, I'm actually the third owner of this vehicle, so that's to be expected. So there are some spots where the paint's not perfect. A few scratches here and there, like for example up here, down there, and right here, but it's not too bad. It still is really nice, as you guys can see. I'm very happy with this vehicle. So on the driver's side, we have the gas tank. All right, as you can see here, we have some nice decals lettering here that says Envoy, and then right here it says GMC. Here's a close look at the back. Got the lights and of course the rear wiper right here. So yeah, and we have the steps on each side here, which I'm debating whether or not I should remove these. I haven't decided. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do. Should I remove them or should I leave them? And there's another Envoy decal there, SLT. So let's go inside now. So I'll just unlock it. Here is the key and remote. So there's the key and there's the remote. So to unlock it, we'll just press this button here. And you can always manually unlock it right here with the key. So yeah. So here's the inside. Alright, so let's jump on in and start it up. So here are the miles. Turn that off. So right now we have 110,444 miles. So we'll just start it up. So go over some of the controls we have in here. So right here we have our power windows, locks, that's to lock the windows, and our heated seats. And right here we have our headlight control and our fog lights. I usually leave these on automatic. And right here we have the turn signals, wiper control, and cruise control up here, and then you can also use this to turn on the high beams like that. So yeah, and hazards here. Okay, and horn, and then we have our radio and climate control. And then further down we have the four-wheel drive controls. So right now it's set on 2-wheel high, but you have all 4 wheels, 4 high or 4 low. That was probably not even in frame, but. And then right here I added this. This does not come with it. This is for the radio. It's a AM FM transmitter, and that's to turn on the rear wiper, and that's for the washer fluid for the rear wiper. And right here it has a 12-volt outlet if I can get to it, and then this is obviously a cigarette lighter, so I'll just put that back in here. And let's see, we have our shifter here. So this is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Do it one more time. And yeah, it's really a nice car. We have our glove box and center console, cup holders. So yeah, and right here we have our power seats, so you can adjust the seats. Oh, and also too, I forgot, for the entertainment center, as you can see, it has this nice wood grains, which sadly you don't really see that a lot anymore. So yeah. So just go back here. Here's the back seat. Just jump on in. It's a pretty comfortable back seat. As you can see, I fit back here no problem. And right here you have your cup holders and your entertainment center there. Cup holder or entertainment center up further up. Vents, and yeah, nothing much really going on back here. And now you can actually fold these seats in 2 ways. So you can pull this up, this half comes up, or if you press this piece here, you just pull that up, and you can actually move the seat down completely like that if you needed more space. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, and then you can actually open the window here for the trunk. So to do that, you just press this button and you can get access to the trunk this way. Close it, or you can always open it this way, of course. And as you can see, it's a little messy in there right now, but it's a pretty good sized trunk. So do a little quick rev here. Pretty sweet sounding engine. Speaking of engine, let's go take a look at that now. Let's pop the hood. Alright, so here's the business end. So this is General Motors Vortec 4200 inline 6-cylinder, which is capable of putting out 275 horsepower and 275 pounds of torque. So as you can hear, it's a really nice sounding engine. It's a close-up look of it. So yeah, just go ahead and close that up. And here are the headlights. So just go ahead and shut it down here. And I'll show you how easy it is to actually start. So basically all you have to do is just go like that. That actually starts the engine. So yeah, so really sweet truck. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Bye for now.